Hey, what's up everyone? Crypto Henry here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Trezor Model T. Trezor Model T is a hardware wallet compatible with close to 1,500 different cryptocurrencies and tokens, and it's one of the most advanced and secure hardware wallets in the market. There is another video where I show the setup of the Ledger Nano X. This is also one of the most secure wallets in the market. But if you have the Trezor Model T, this video is for you. So this is a very cool wallet. It's a touchscreen wallet, and it will keep your crypto secure. And why does it keep your crypto secure? Well, because it keeps your private keys offline, right? Your private keys are basically what controls the wallet. I will leave this link for this article in the resources section of the video. But basically, you have two types of wallets, a custodial wallet and a non-custodial wallet. A custodial wallet is a wallet where the keys of your wallet are controlled by a third party, by an exchange, for example. You have here this table that is very cool to visualize this. And basically, you have exchanges and things like that, but they can go bankrupt, right? You have the recent event with FTX. So you don't want to leave all your life savings in an exchange for sure. You have other custodial wallets. These are more like parties that are specialized in keeping the custody of your wallet, of managing your wallet. And then you have non-custodial wallets. You have wallets like the Exodus wallet, the MetaMask wallet, but the issue with these wallets is that they are on your computer, and if your computer, it's connected to the internet every day, it might be vulnerable to hackers. So the way to keep it really, really secure is to use a non-custodial cold storage or hardware wallet, like the Trezor Model T that we are going to look at today. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and let's set up the Trezor Model T. And another thing very quickly, I just want to show you here the two Trezor models. You have the Trezor Model T and the Model 1. The Model 1 costs $67, while the Model T is $213. Both are very, very secure. Don't worry about the security. It's just that the Model T, it might be a little bit more convenient, have the touchscreen, blah, blah, blah. It's compatible with a few more coins, but I mean, the Trezor Model 1 is for sure compatible with all the major. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, probably all the Ethereum tokens, ERC20, all the major cryptocurrencies, so you don't need to worry too much. And you don't need to spend the $200 if you are on a low budget. But if you have purchased the Model T, then this video is for you. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it and set up the Trezor Model T. Okay, awesome. So I bought the Model T plus these little silicone case that I'm going to put around the Model T. This was quite cheap, so I just decided to buy this. By the way, when you buy this kind of wallet, make sure that you are buying from the official website. Don't buy second-hand wallets, because maybe it was a hacker that bought a wallet before, and you for sure don't want to buy a wallet from someone else. And this someone else may have already the backup of the wallet. So this is a really a no-no. You need to buy a new one, never buy a second one, a second-hand one. So let's open the box. All right. Have this plastic around. Cool. The safe place for your coins. Looks good. Let's open here. Nice. So the wallet comes with this seal over here. This is to show that the wallet was never opened. This is very important. And so we now need to connect the wallet to our computer or smartphone. Go to trezor.io/start on your browser and follow the instructions. Let's see what else do we have here inside the box. Oh, of course, we have the USB cable to connect to the computer. And we have here some stickers. Oh, this is cool. I love this one. Love Bitcoin. All right. Have probably like some basic instructions here. Getting start manual. Probably we will not need this. Yeah, it seems that we also have this cool magnetic dock, so maybe I can put this somewhere and just put my wallet. Or I'm just going to keep the wallet inside a drawer. So let's open this. It's not easy to open at all. Oh, okay. It leaves this mark is just basically to show that it was really already open. So let's connect this to the computer. Okay. So let's go here to the website. All right, congratulations on getting your new Trezor set up and take control of your wallet with our desktop app. Download Trezor Suite below. Okay, so let's go and download this software. And let's complete here the installation. And run the software. All right, now we are prompted with this question. If you want to allow anonymous data collection, in this case, I'm going to say that I don't want. Confirm. Security check, make sure that the hologram, the seal was intact. Yes, and it was intact when we opened the box. I bought it from the official shop or a trusted reseller, not from like second hands. And the package was not tampered with. Yes, that's good. And let's go ahead and set up the Trezor. It says here that takes approximately 5 minutes. So let's go. So first we need to install the firmware. Firmware is basically the software that is inside the wallet. So we have already installed this program, this software on the computer, but we also need to install a software inside the wallet. So let's go ahead and click install firmware. So here the wallet now says installing firmware. Awesome, and the firmware installation is completed. Now the wallet is just restarting and we can click continue. Now we can create a new wallet or recover a wallet from an existing seed phrase. Okay, so if you have a seed phrase from another wallet, it could even be another wallet that is not a Trezor. It could be a Ledger, it could be your MetaMask wallet. You can recover one of those wallets to your new Trezor. But in this case, we'll create a new wallet. So you have the standard seed phrase backup where we are going to write down the seed phrase in this piece of paper. Or you could have the Shamir share backup. Shamir share backup will basically write, partially write the seed phrase in different pieces of paper. And in order to be able to back up the wallet, you will need to have the different pieces of paper together. So let's say if you do the standard seed backup and you put in a friend's place thinking that you can trust him or her and the person decides to take advantage and steal this piece of paper from you and steal your money, the person could do this. But with the Shamir share backup, with a single piece of paper, you cannot back up the wallet. You need to have like the two pieces of paper with the combination of the words. But in this case, we are going to do the simple standard backup. And writing down the recovery seed phrase, the backup, is the most important step in your wallet setup because this is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose your wallet gets stolen or stops working for some reason, you will always have the backup, right? So if you lose, if there is a fire, if anything happens to the wallet, to this wallet here, as long as you have the backup seed phrase, you don't need to worry. And you will need to write down in two different pieces of paper or three or four just for redundancy and put them in a secure place. You can put one of them in your apartment in a safe place. The other can put in a relative's apartment. And just in case, there is a fire in your apartment and everything burns down, at least you have some redundancy. I also know some people that keep these in a bank safe. So if you have a lot of money, maybe it's actually worth to keep these in a bank safe because usually bank safes are fireproof and waterproof and quite secure. So let's go ahead now and click here standard seed backup. Now we need to confirm here on the wallet, so we have a message saying, do you want to create a new wallet? Yes. Let's click here. We have this very nice touchscreen, and let's click create backup. Now here's some good practices. Check your backup is completed before sending any money to the wallet. Never take a photo or keep your backup in your computer. One of the biggest reasons why people lose their funds is because they take a photo of the backup of the seed phrase, or they keep it online or keep it in their computer, because a hacker may eventually be monitoring your computer. And if you have a file in your computer with a seed phrase, this seed phrase might be compromised. And also, some people already took a photo. The photo is automatically uploaded to iCloud or Google Cloud, and if a hacker has access to that cloud, then they will see that there is a seed phrase there, and they can steal it from you. That's why you need paper, good old paper, and a pen. And never, ever share this with anyone unless you really, really, really trust this person, okay? So as you see here, they really want you to make sure that you know this. Never make a digital copy of your recovery seed phrase. Never upload it online. I understand. All right, so now we have these 12 words. I'm going to write down the 12 words, and I'm going to pause the video just for a second while I write the 12 words. Now the wallet wants to know if you actually wrote down the seed phrase or not, because this is the only opportunity that you have to write the seed phrase correctly. So now you are going to be asked to put some random words. So now it's asking me to select the word 3 out of the 12s, and the word 3 out of the 12 is this one. And the word 7 out of 12. Word 7 out of 12 is this one. I'm not going to exactly share it with you. The word 12 out of 12. This one. Okay, awesome. So I have now finished verifying my recovery seed phrase. Let's click continue. Your backup is done. Use your backup when need to recover your wallet. Awesome. So now if we go back here to our laptop, we can continue to set a pin. And yes, of course, we want to set a pin. Do you really want to enable pin protection? Of course I want to enable pin protection, because if I don't have pin protection, then anyone with access to the device could make a transaction. So let's go ahead and set up a pin. Okay, you have successfully enabled pin protection. Let's continue. Okay, and now we can enable some of the coins here on our wallet. So we can enable Bitcoin, Ethereum. You have tons of them. You can search for more, but say in this case, we just want to enable Bitcoin and Ethereum. Complete setup. And the setup was completed. This is how easy it is to set up our Trezor wallet. Okay, now I want to show you very simply how to send your first transfer from an exchange to your Trezor Model T wallet. So let's go ahead, and I'm going here to my KuCoin account. KuCoin is one of the biggest exchanges, but I don't want to leave funds there. So in this case, I want to transfer, let's say, withdraw these lock game tokens that I have here. By the way, you should check out this project, really interesting game, play to earn game. And I'm going to click withdraw. And in withdraw, now I need to paste a wallet address. So what I'm going to do is to go back to my wallet here, and I'm going to select the Ethereum wallet, because the token is an ERC20 token, and I'm going to click receive, because here you see you can add a token. I could paste the token address, but what I'm going to do just simply is to click here receive, show my address, and I'm going to basically copy paste this address, and I'm going to basically copy this address and paste it to the exchange interface. Always double check if this is the right address. Yes, it seems to be good. Select the network. It's the ERC20 network. Yes, Ethereum network. I want to transfer everything, all, and let's go ahead and click withdrawal. Confirm. All right, so we have started our withdrawal, and let's wait just a little bit. And yeah, we have here a received lock G token. So we see that we have already received the lock game tokens in our wallet. So now we have here our tokens on the Trezor wallet. They are safe, away from hackers, away from exchanges declaring bankruptcy. So all is good. If you wanted to send from your wallet to somewhere else, you can also click here send and put the address, the amount, or whatever is the asset that you want to send, and click review and send it. It's very, very easy to use these wallets to do any transactions. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I'm sure this was useful. We just set up this beauty here, and now we have our tokens super secure. Of course, in this video, I'll only transfer like $100 something worth of tokens, and these wallets can keep any amount of crypto assets secure. I know people that have like literally millions of dollars in these kind of wallets. This is really secure. Again, never forget to do the proper backup in a piece of paper, and other than that, you are good to go. Check also my other videos. I also made a video about the Ledger Nano X setup, also very cool wallet between the Trezor and the Ledger. I don't know which one is the best. They are both very good, very secure, very easy to use. And check also my other videos. I always talk about Bitcoin, crypto, NFTs, metaverse, and the coolest technologies in the world. So if you like this kind of content, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And check also the video description for additional content. I have some online courses where I teach about the coolest technologies in the world. So if you want to learn more, make sure that you check out those courses in the links below. All right, guys, as always, I'll see you tomorrow.